Understanding Close-Up Ready, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, close-up ready. This term is often used in media, photography, and everyday conversation. Stay with us to understand its meaning, usage, and nuances. Let's dive in. Close-up ready refers to being prepared for a close-up shot, typically in photography or film. It implies that one's appearance is meticulously groomed and looks good even under close scrutiny. This phrase can be extended metaphorically to mean being prepared and confident in any situation that requires close attention or scrutiny. The term, close-up ready, has its roots in the film and photography industry. In a close-up shot, every detail of the subject's face or object is visible and under focus. Hence, being close-up ready means paying attention to small details that might be overlooked in a wider shot. In everyday use, it's often applied to situations where someone needs to present their best, be it in a job interview, a presentation, or a social event. To help you understand better, let's see some examples. 1. Before the interview, she made sure she was close-up ready, checking her appearance in the mirror. 2. The product has to be close-up ready for the advertising shoot, with no imperfections visible. Metaphorically, close-up ready can also refer to being mentally prepared for situations that demand thoroughness and precision. For example, he spent hours studying the report to be close-up ready for the meeting. Additionally, this phrase is often used in popular culture, particularly in contexts relating to beauty and fashion. That's it for today's lesson on close-up ready. We hope this video has made you more confident in understanding and using this phrase in English. Remember, being close-up ready is all about preparation, attention to detail, and confidence. See you in our next video, and keep practicing your English.